So we are going to style this part section now. And let's go to the code. First thing first, let's create a file called what? Planning, as you said. So
Yeah.
planning.css. And here, take this on the right side. And yeah, that's it. So let's go here. So first thing is containerize, right? So if you want, we can also go through inspect. That's also fine, no problem. So we're going to go to the planning container, and you know the deal. We have to do this one, and um
Display flex.
yeah, display flex. I also forgot you remember me. Thank you. So no, not display flex. Not right now. Okay, it's fine if you do display flex. It's simple. It's good. But first thing is width, because you have to containerize it. That's the main thing, right? See? So I will show you this later. But tell me, display flex, then what? What came to your mind?
So with the width and height, I have to do that, or
Width height?
yeah.
There is no height here. So first thing when you do container, the first thing, I mean, it's not mandatory you do it, but kind of like
Okay.
it's why we make containers. Its width is going to be 1000 pixel. Okay. And then we say margin, kind of like look at both sides, like when I type and what's happening. Okay, that's going to help you learning much better. And auto, see, it came to center and it's aligned. It's always going to be aligned. The kind of like it's it's actually kind of like wrapped with the container. All the elements inside the container is wrapped, and it's going to from here to here. Same thing below this, because all of them are 1000 pixel. That's why it will look like they're all maintaining the same space, and it looks kind of good. That's why we do it. So let's keep going. Okay, now you tell me what to do. You said display flex. Okay, display flex. All right, very good. Now, next, what we can do?
Should we add justify content and align, blah blah blah?
Justify content. Okay, justify content. What it should be. We can do space between, but kind of like go to the website and check. If we do space between, you see, whenever we hover, it kind of like they are not like there's no space between them. So they're going to be
Mm.
packed. So we can't do that actually. So what we can do at most
Heading.
is, yeah, padding. Padding is not in here. What we can do is align item center. That's that's 99% of the time we do it. So we are good with this actually. Now uh we solve this issue. Now inside the planning items we have image p tags which are not aligned nicely. So we can use flex item, no, display flex. So go to here and press plus and say display flex. Oops, what happened? They all has gone into the horizontal wise. So what I have to do to make them back to column wise? Remember?
Yes, yes, it's something with column something, but I cannot
Yes,
remember.
it's called flex. Then what? Direction. Flex direction
Oh,
column.
oh, yeah.
Okay. Ah, so what's this? The images taking the whole
No.
space. What to do now? So remember that thing, I've done a mistake, to be honest. Can you figure out the mistake here? So I told you before, or to
The image
always.
inside
Yes, exactly.
div. Oh
Inside
yeah,
div. Yes,
yeah.
yes, exactly. Yeah. Wrapping the images inside div always. Okay. Not a problem. We can go to the inspect and we can kind of copy this and paste it. because we have done some coding. Why not save it? So paste it here, save it, and of course, this is not gonna work. This should not work. I don't know what's happening. Reload this. Okay, it's not working. So what to do? Add the link. Okay. And what was the name?
Planning.
Planning. Planning. Planning. Yes. And yes. So the problem that I have done is image wrapping with image. So planning image. Okay, I can call this div dot planning underscore image or planning logo, whatever you want to say. Put the image here, put like this. Okay. I can copy and paste it here instead of the images. Okay. And instead, I will call this architecture. This one was I always
Engineer.
forget engineer. Yes, very good engineer. And this one was tools.
Oh,
Shift Alt F. It kind of nicely formats. Save it, and here we go. But still, okay. Now the images. What we can do with the images? Okay. So inspect. So let's go to the planning item. Flex direction column, align items, center. That's what we do most of the time, right? Most of the time. Although the images, I don't know, very nicely actually took the width and height, but it should not do it. So remember always to, whenever you create image and they're like wrapped like this, always what you have to do is say planning image. Um, inside this image is going to have width of 100% and uh, height of 100%, right? And then you can change the size of this always. Okay, if you want, you can change the size of this as width. This can be maybe 200 pixel, not this one, I'm sorry. The planning image, you can the container of the image you can always change, and it's always going to follow. The image is always going to follow. Not only this, there's many other things that you can do. Later you're gonna know this, but for now, doesn't matter how much I increase it or decrease it, it's going to nicely follow thing. Actually, the pixel, we have a little bit big images. They're very good contrast. I think I downloaded very small image. You see, when I downloaded 50 pixel by 50 pixel. Not good at all. I should have downloaded like the bigger images. Whatever. I will do it. No problem. But let's finish this. So let's come here, planning image and planning image. Let's do this. Let's add this here. I usually put the parent above always. So above 32 pixel, whatever. I'm going to change this as well. So no, this is how it looks like. And also I forgot to add here what align items center. 99% of the time we use align items center. All right. So we are not done. The next thing we need to do is kind of like add a box shadow, right? It looks like this, and when we add, there's a box shadow. We're gonna do this, no problem. Make this p tag a little bit bigger and bolder, and this one a little bit smaller, right? And then also add padding to it. So let's do this one by one. So this p tag, we can name this p tag actually. So we can actually name this p tag as planning title. Planning underscore, sorry, planning underscore title, right? And then this one is subtitle. If this one is title, this one is subtitle. Uh, Pop-ups are annoying. Class planning subtitle, right? So planning title is going to have planning dot planning title. Same thing, okay? If you say planning title and if you say p dot planning title, the same thing, okay? It's like more specific, like p tag having a title class name of planning title. But if you only give dot planning title, it also means the same thing, because we are not going to give planning title to anything else other than p tag or this tag specific. Whatever. Font size. Let's give a random font size for now, 20 pixel. And then do I need text transfer? Oh, no problem. I'm not going to see what the AI is giving us. In fact, I'm going to disable for CSS. Font size 20 pixel. And then font weight, right? Font weight.
I
In
think
fact,
it's
I'm going to
full.
make it, yes,
Yeah.
very good. See,
But, um,
ta-da. And then for the dot planning subtitle, not title, but subtitle, right? We're going to make the font size a little bit smaller. Okay, font size a little bit smaller, like 16 pixel. It's too small, I guess. But the font weight also very font weight also small. It's called smaller or lighter. It's called lighter, but let's give 300 for now, just to see what happens. Okay, not bad. Actually, what we wanted, kind of like this. So the bold is too much bold. So let's give padding and some, some padding and some gap. Then we can see what we can do about that. So in the planning item, we have display. So, create gaps between the elements, we can say gap, how much? 20 pixel? Let's see.
I think
This one, this one. Yeah, 20 pixel. 20 pixel gap, not bad. And then also the text is going to be, I mean, for all the text, not only the title, subtitle, everything. Okay, not only for the subtitle, but for all the text, it's actually aligned center. See, so do you remember what to do to keep text aligned center? So it's called text align center. Like the way we speak in English, the properties are like this. So in fact, you don't have to memorize anything, just text align center, text align center. Okay. So text align center. All right. And each padding is going to have a padding. All right. Padding of what? 20 pixel? I don't know how much pixel. So padding, as we have seen that for the padding, all right, there is a padding in here, there's a padding in here. So padding left and right is small, but top and bottom is more. Okay. Padding top and bottom is more, but 20 pixel, then 10 pixel. Okay. So 20 pixel, so like this. I think this is too big or too small. They're very big actually. Very big. So I'm going to make it more big on this side. Actually, our width of 1000 pixel is very small. So like this. And I think it's fine for now. Right? So copy this whole thing. So the reason we have to make it small to look nice is, sorry, planning item it is. So the reason is, you see the width we are taking is 1000 pixel, but this one is a little bit more than 1000 pixel. Okay, this one ends here and this one ends here. See, a little bit inside. That's why everything, our website might look a little bit smaller. We can increase it if you want, but also this one will not look bad, I believe. The images, we can make it a little bit larger. So we can make it like the planning image is going to be little bit larger like this. Okay. Of course, these images are pixelated because of low resolution image we have downloaded. And the title is going to be instead of 20 pixel, it's going to be a little bit more. Yeah,
Mm.
looks good. And yeah, I think that's it. That's it. And also, instead of bold, let's try 500 pixel. It's too much. Oh, sorry, not only 500. 500, 600, 700, okay, 600.
600, I think.
600 is fine. So come here, here, right? This one. And then also the image, 89 pixel, 89 pixel. What's wrong in here? Expected what? I think there is a problem in here. Yes. So that's it. Save it and reload it. That's our style. And now what to do is before applying the shadow, like this effect, before applying this effect you see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it to the top like this. And do you remember what to do to push it to the top?
I think we have to do like margin and minus something.
Yes, yes. Very good. Margin auto. Sorry, no, margin minus
Margin,
something. Yes, margin minus something. Yeah. I'm confusing you, but never mind. So margin top. Okay.
yeah.
If we give 200 pixels, it's gonna go down. Okay. If we give 100 pixels, it's gonna go up. We give, okay, 50 pixels go up. But if we keep doing minus, okay, it's going up, 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 up. All right. Yeah, like on the middle, center like this. Okay, why does it look like this?
Because
Because
now we need the white.
not actually Z
Oh.
index. This is something different. Okay. This is something different. If you can, guess what the thing is, I will give
Maybe
you
like,
surprise.
maybe doing like body background, something like that, because it's
Yes,
missing.
exactly, exactly. Yes, yes. You're very close. Just say it like I want to hear the exact property, background property.
Adding a background color,
Yes,
white.
exactly. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. That perfect. You know coding. You just have to think, To what? Planning or
I'm
planning
trying.
container?
Uh, to planning container.
Yes, very good. Yes. So planning container, background, color, what?
White.
White.
Ta-da.
Yeah, but still, there's a problem in here. We
Yeah,
have
yeah.
yes, that's not a problem. We're going to fix it. But planning container, background color white. So where to put what to do now? What's the problem now?
I think we did this before, like when we want something to be in front of the.
Yes, yes. It's called Z
But I
index.
don't. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
it's called Z
Yeah.
index. Where? Planning container or planning?
Planning.
Yes, very good. Many students cannot even think where to give it. You can think. So Z index gives some value which should be more than whatever we are giving is not applying because they're saying that, hey, the position should be something else than static. because in static position we cannot. So usually what I do is that relative is the most safe position. Okay, position if changed, they can behave weirdly, but relative to me is the best. To me, it seems like the best or safest option. Position, relative. Copy this thing, paste it in here. All right, now it doesn't look that much good, to be honest. So what can I do? I will actually add some padding in the padding, not in the padding item, in the planning container. I'm going to add some. Can I? Or what can I do is that
It just needs more, I think, left and right.
Mhm. Okay, no worries. I will just give more padding to the left and right. But it's not a problem if we add more padding. Yes. Now it looks good. Not really. More padding. Yeah, I think this is fine.
Yeah.
And so here. All right. Next, what we can do is the shadow.
Hovering.
Yes, hover. What we want is shadow. Okay. So first, let me just show you just shadow. Okay, not without hover, just shadow. So go to CSS shadow generator. There is different shadow generator. I think this one. This one is too bad. Don't go to this one. I kind of get confused like which one to use. See, this one is like optional, like you can actually customize it, but this doesn't give you like very nice looking elegant. But this one, oh, not also this one. Mm, yeah, this one, CSS scan. Okay, get csscan.com. This one. So this one gives you a couple of examples, right? So it's not like we have to completely follow this one. We can choose anyone, any kind of shadow. A beautiful shadow will be beautiful. So let's pick, I think someone that looks like it pops up.
Hashtag 3.
3. Okay,
I
as you
think.
wish. There are many others. I think this
Or
one is too
15.
much. 15? Okay, okay. As you wish. 15. So just copy this, click it, and it will be copied. Okay. And then go to the code, and then in the planning.css, just apply this to the planning item. Okay. Just apply this to the planning item, or just for test purpose. Okay. Not, we're not going to apply this to this is not going to be permanent. Just saying that planning item, uh first child. Okay, first child, or the first child is going to have this one. Okay, whatever the code we copied, don't look at the code. You're gonna have a headache, but um it's just some very sophisticated shadowing. Okay, save it, and you have something like this. See, like this.
So
Ta-da. And there is no shadow, I guess, upwards or downwards because of our container, I think. Not container, it's called because of our planning. If we give a padding of top and 0 pixel left and right, but top and bottom 20 pixel, I think we should see some shadow then. Yes, then we can see some shadow at the bottom. See? So to look good, if you want, you can actually increase some padding like this, and it will look like this. So I'm going to
shall we
increase.
also add the cursor pointer thing?
Yes, yes, sure. Cursor pointer, I have to check if we need to. No, we don't have to. Right. So padding. I think this is enough. As you can see, due to addition of padding, it has gone down. We will fix it. But I've added padding so that we see all the content, all the shadow, right? Um, where do I add it? Here. Now you know, we have to fix this. We have to keep it. We have to give it a margin, not this one, a margin top minus like this in the center. This is fine. Okay. Minus 253. All right. So now let's just apply hover. Okay. So we're going to say when we hover this, not the first child, when we hover this, then we want. So when you do this, it looks like this. Doesn't look good. I mean, it looks good, not bad, but we want a very smooth vanilla ice cream kind of effect. Smooth ice cream effect. So we have to
We
use
will add
what?
the transition.
Yeah,
Is
transition. All.
all 0.3.
Is just ease. Okay, I don't care about.
Yeah, yeah.
See, I
Mm,
want to make it more aesthetic. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give it more time. So 0.6. See, it takes more time. It looks much good, much better. See, it
looks
looks
like teeth.
yeah. It looks like looks like a paper. We are pulling it off from the website. You know, it looks nice. Yeah. You want to try other shadows as well? It looks good. Like
Maybe
check this one. This one is going to be crazy. Which one I saw? No, not this one.
the pink ones.
Pink ones. I'm not sure. I've never tried the pink ones to be honest. Well, let's try this. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, not bad.
I mean, it looks cool, but maybe if it was like orange.
Techie website. Yeah, if it was like a pink or a pinkish website, like if you go to hackerone.com, mm, yeah, they kind of have this kind of
Yeah, yeah.
pinkish. So here, I think it would look nice, but our website doesn't look like that. So, and then we have others like this one. It's gonna look like it's gonna coming off from your screen. This one. Okay. So look at this. Um, see, it's like although I don't know why this is. Oh,
Looks weird.
why it's look like this? Weird, yeah. I don't know why this is behaving this way. Oh, because uh, this- yeah. So see, kind of like pops up from the screen, but it's not that good.
It's okay.
This is too bad. So Z. I think this one.
We can use the pink one, but change the colors.
Oh, you want to use the big ones? All right, as you wish. So the pink ones was Control Y. Okay, and if you want to change the colors,
Yeah, we can
uh,
change it there.
where is it? Okay, these ones. Which color do you want to give?
Orange or tomato.
Orange. A tomato. Okay, we're gonna give tomato like this one. Then this one. So do you find it hard to understand what each of these mean? This is the score. This one is little bit shadow, I mean opaque. This one same color on all sides, but this one is more opaque. This one is less opaque. That's why there is an effect. You're going to see right now. You're going to observe this, right? So as you can see,
Yeah, yeah.
this layer it look like layers. So this one is more opaque. That the below one is less opaque, and this the below of that is more opaque. The below is more opaque. So you can see there is things. Color is same, just we are controlling this thing opaqueness. So it's not necessary to understand all this. Okay. So okay, well, now it makes more sense. Like okay, this one. Okay, as you wish. But why is it like why there is this kind of space? I want all of it to come up. So let's go to planning item. So there is padding of 40 pixel. That's why. No. Planning container. Is there any padding here? No, there is the padding here. So when I put my mouse, why it looks like this?
On the first one, I think it doesn't do that.
Yeah, the second one is like weird.
Second and third one, yes.
First one kind of like goes much up. Why does it do like this? Let's try to figure out. So planning item, first one is this. Second one, first one, the second one. Okay. So second one has some problem. What's that? Why second one and third one? What's wrong with first one? That's weird. Oh, I see. So you see that the text has broken here. Okay, is the text broken here as well?
Oh,
So the text is broken in here. So that's why it's like taken more height. So the one of the way how you can do this is planning title. You say wrap. I forgot text wrap. Text wrap. You say no wrap. Now same.
yeah, that.
I just know this by practice. Don't worry. Like how are you able to memorize so many things? It's just practice. So yeah, now it looks good, right? Okay. We can create more padding, to be honest, but it's fine. Okay. And if you want, you can actually download much better resolution. This one. Oh, this one is you have to buy. Oh my God. Why I have to buy? Oh, I can only download one. Or only this one. Oh, this two are free. These both of them are free. Okay. Download. Okay, let's go back. And then which one we picked? This one. Download. Pixel Perfect. This one is Pixel Perfect. This one is not free. Oh, they're bad people. Like they want us to buy. Okay. Never mind. Okay, never mind. So let's keep going. Okay. I'm going to show you other way of using font, which is completely free. You never have to buy fonts and very good fonts. Okay, and also much more customizable. All right. So the below section is this one. So we're going to do this section right now.